Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make a Pop It Cake. Bright, colourful, fun to make and delicious. Start with some melted white chocolate, split into 6 bowls. Add gel food colour to each. You only need a dash. And they'll look something like this. Pop those into piping bags and pipe on each colour to 1 row of a circular poppet. Refrigerate till the chocolate is set. Meanwhile, flour a work surface and roll out some coloured fondant. We're starting with red, then orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. Taking one colour, we're going to slice it into rectangular strips. Repeat the same thing with each colour. Now get a vanilla sponge cake and slice the top off. Spoon on some sugar syrup and pipe on chocolate ganache. Layering it up in the same way with more sugar syrup and more chocolate ganache. Let's add another layer of cake and do the same. Thick chocolate ganache going on this time on the top and all around the sides. Now remove the chocolate from the poppet mould. And place on top of your cake. Brilliant! Next come the fondant strips, alternating the colours. And look at that! What a beautiful sight to behold! Pop It Cake. Enjoy! Let's make this butterfly Pop It Cake. Very colourful, very creative. Start with a butterfly-shaped poppet and add M&M chocolate candies into each hole. Next, pipe on melted chocolate. We're starting with pale pink in the middle, then a slight peachy colour on either side of that, then on to pale orange. So we're sort of fading the colours. Going for yellow next, then pale green and purple. Refrigerate that for 1 hour and then get a square-shaped poppet. We're piping on melted chocolate of varying shades, just like we did with the butterfly. You're going to want a few of these. Refrigerate for 30 minutes, then get a square-shaped vanilla cake and place it on a turntable, piping on white buttercream. We're making 4 layers. We want to make this into a cube shape. Then coat the entire cake with white buttercream. Smoothing it out. And stick a square-shaped chocolate poppet onto each side. So you would have made 4 of these and let them set in the fridge. Just press them down using your hands. The fondant will act as glue. Next, pipe green buttercream onto the top of the cake. It's giving the appearance of grass. We're making a nice little garden for our butterfly. Add your chocolate butterfly poppet. And a few fondant flowers propped up by cocktail sticks. And there you have it. Butterfly Pop It Cake. It's colourful, it's creative, and delicious. Enjoy! Let's make this Footwear Pop It Cake. Super colourful and vibrant. Start with some melted white chocolate and red food colour. Then repeat the same with purple, orange, yellow, green and blue. Pop those into piping bags and pipe on to each row of a heart poppet, starting with the blue, then the purple, red, orange, green, and yellow. You can do them in any order. Just give it a tap to fill any spaces and then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, get a chocolate cake and a paper cutout of a shoe. Place it on top and cut around. Remove the excess cake. Now let's add some white buttercream and stick on a second layer of cake. Then finally coat the entire thing in white buttercream. Then just smooth it out. Brilliant. Refrigerate that for 10 minutes and your set chocolate is ready. Tip it upside down on some card and carefully peel away the heart poppet. Then just place your colourful chocolate pieces on top of the cake. Perfect. Around the edges too, matching up the colours. And lastly, get some black fondant for the Y-shaped strap of your flip-flop. And there you have it. Fantastically colourful Footwear Pop It Cake. A chocolate delight to behold. Enjoy!